my first orders was to order this kit. This is a flaring kit. Has everything you need to cut the tube and flare it, doing the double flare. The general process is that you cut the tube to length, you put one of these adapters in there, you squish it down, and then you take the adapter out and squish it again with the cone. That's the basic process. Let me show you step by step. I'm just going to cut off this flare. We're going to reflare it and see how things go. So if you haven't used a pipe cutter before, it's the same for plumbing as it is for this. You just spin it around, tighten it up, spin it around, tighten it up, and this cutter on there digs into that copper. Well, this is chromium copper or something like that, special copper, but it's just, it feels a lot like the copper in your house. Water pipes. You keep spinning it and twisting. Every time you spin it around, tighten it up a little bit. And then it pops off. Now, you'll notice, if we can focus, that, well, if you can see that at all, there's a, there you go. So it's made the hole too small. It's squished the copper inside because there's a burr on it. Burr. So this has a tool on it, a deburring tool. I'm gonna pop. Oh, it has extra cutting blade in there. So I'm gonna pop out the deburring tool and just stick it in there. Twist it around, and it cuts off that extra copper. So now, take the clamp, gotta loosen it up. This is 3/16, so we're gonna put it in there. Get this back on there. And how do we know what height to set it? Well, you take your form, your adapter thing, and put it on there, and bring it down to the even. Just like that. You tighten it up, both sides. Check it again. Focus. And you see how that's even there? So now, fun part. It's called your A-frame. Open it up. It goes, open it some more. It goes on here. You take your form. It goes in there. Then you start to squish it. And you go all the way down as far as you can. Pull this out. You take out your die. You see it squished it. But we're not done yet. Now you need to do it once again, but without the die. Make sure you get it lined up. Goes right in the hole. And tighten it down. There we go. A-frame off. You can loosen these. And there you have it. The most important thing is remember to put your fitting on before you do that. So then you have a double flare that will fit on the fitting, and when you squish this down, this will take the form of what you're squishing it to, so it'll form its own seal. Remember, this is soft and squishy.